it's mostly sunny out there and we're warming up. It's a little bit better today than it was yesterday. We were kind of stuck under the clouds in some places and just couldn't warm out of the 50s, which was quite a shock after this weekend. Well, today heating up, and we needed to because we had temperatures this morning that really dropped. We were down into the 30s in the northern valley, some of us out west too, into some upper 30s. But check out Langdon, had some frost there, likely at 32 degrees, the low temperature. It was only 36 in Grand Forks, and Fargo got down to 42. So a cool morning to start off this morning, and we're trying to work our way out of that. So we're now in the 50s and some 60s at this point. 63 in Fargo, 60 in Grand Forks. We're into the mid to upper 50s in parts of our eastern and western viewing area right now. Wind is mainly quiet. We're seeing most places with wind speeds in that 5 to 15 mile per hour range. We do have a couple of spots where we're getting a little higher gusts. Fargo 21 miles per hour, 20 in Cooperstown. And checking out your radar and satellite map, still some stubborn clouds hanging out around the eastern part of our viewing area. They're kind of blowing in from the northeast, so might be tough to get rid of these there, since it might end up being a little bit of a cooler day for you. I'm hopeful though we'll see a little sunshine in there. And then out to the west, some clouds popping up, even some showers that have been trying to get going down in western parts of Lemoore and Dickey County. But again, we're looking mainly at some quiet, drier weather right here in the valley. Looking southward, we had some stronger storms in southern Minnesota. Those are moving on, the clouds rolling out to the east with it. And that plus what's left of Florence are kind of the only two games in town across the country here. We're looking at moisture with the remnants of Florence on the east coast right now. So that is kicking out to the east. Thankfully, we're getting it out of here. And then, of course, our system that has been just missing us in the valley and hitting other parts of the Midwest. So checking out your hour-by-hour planner, we're looking at mainly clear skies in some areas, other spots dealing with a little bit of cloud cover, especially in the east. Heading into the afternoon or later afternoon, temperatures will be into the low to upper 60s today for just about everybody. That's especially if we can get some sunshine in our eastern viewing area. Wind still moving in out of the north and keeping us on the cooler side into tonight. Temperatures dipping back into some 50s by 9 o'clock, and heading into the late night and overnight hours, our temperatures will slide. We'll see some numbers down into the 40s and some low 50s, but you see what happened there. We started to see more clouds building in, so that helps to insulate us a little bit and keeps our temperatures from dropping too much. So the more cloud cover by morning, the better as far as starting out temperature wise. But of course, that also means clouds and gray skies for the day too. So mostly cloudy for your Wednesday morning. You could see some moisture to our south, a few showers passing by during the morning hours. Heading into the afternoon, some areas of sun develop, which will be nice to see. But in general, we're watching a system that's going to be lifting into the valley, bringing us increasing chances for some rain into Thursday, and that'll be the day where we have the greater chance for rain throughout the valley. I know there are areas that still need it. We're into drought conditions, especially up north, and temperatures will be cool. 63 degrees your high on Thursday. Perhaps an inch of rain, maybe even more than that in a couple of spots as that moves through. Friday quieting down for the time being, and most of Saturday should be quiet, but we will have a chance for some showers Saturday evening and into Sunday. And this cooler weather sticks around. Our average high for this date is 70, and we're close to it today for our forecast high, but we don't see that number at all in the next 7 days.
Better get used to the sweater weather.
Yes.
All right. Thank you, Lisa.